I think you guys know by now that when I do the hand gesture and shake my hand, that is a good indication that whatever it is that I'm eating is absolutely delicious. You guys, this is phenomenal. If you like peppermint bark and you are keto, wait no longer. Hello everyone, I am Deborah. Welcome back to my kitchen where I am proving time and time again that keto is not boring, you guys. Thank you so much for joining me. So I am continuing on with my recipes for the holiday season, and today is another one of them, you guys. I've got white chocolate, I've got some dark chocolate, I've got some peppermint extract. So out of this, you guys, we are going to make a peppermint bark ketofied. So if you want to learn how, stay with me and I'll show you how coming up next. All right, welcome back, you guys. So the first thing that we need to do is to melt this chocolate. So I'm going to put this dark chocolate in the microwave in maybe 30-40 second increments until it is melted, and then I'm going to do the same thing with the white chocolate. All right, everyone, this dark chocolate is melted. So what we're going to do is add some of this peppermint extract to it. Give it a stir. Just a little bit more. Okay, now this is ready to pour onto this soap pack, which I got this, you guys, from Amazon. I will leave the link to it in the description. All right, so let's go ahead and pour this. Okay. Now this is ready to go into the fridge to set for a few minutes until it's hard, and then once that is done, then we're going to come back and we're going to put the melted white chocolate on top along with our peppermint candy. I'll be right back. So you guys, while that chocolate is setting in the fridge, let me just show you what I am using in place of a candy cane, because of course candy cane has sugar in it and that's not something that we can have on a keto diet. So what I did is I took some sweetener, I put it in a heated pan, and to it I added maybe 1 tablespoon of water and maybe 1 tablespoon of butter, and then I continued to boil it. After that, I added some of this peppermint extract. And I'll leave the exact ingredients and the measurements on the screen for you. But again, since we cannot use candy canes, this is what I did to simulate the candy. And then once it's set, what I did is I just chopped it up into pieces. So now what I'm going to do is I am going to take some of it and I am going to add some food coloring to it, so that way we can get the red that we see in a candy cane. And you guys, this is what this candy looks like. It looks just like candy. Okay. Let's start with this, so I have enough room to mix it. There we go. And there we have it. And this is going to go on top of that chocolate. All right, everyone. Here I've got the melted white chocolate. I'm going to spread this out on top of the white. I'm sorry, on top of the dark chocolate. Let's get it all the way out to the edge. Okay, next what we want to do is, while this chocolate is still wet, we want to take my peppermint, homemade peppermint candies, and sprinkle it on top. And again, you guys, this is going to stimulate my candy cane. Need just a little bit more in a couple of places. And then this, you guys, will be ready for the fridge. So this is ready to go into the fridge to set. And once it has set, then you guys, we will be ready to cut this into the sizes that we want to present. One thing that I forgot, and that is to press. You need to press this. So that way we can make sure that it sticks. Now we're ready, you guys, to go into the fridge. All right, everyone. This is out of the fridge and it is set. So let's see if we can cut it, because this thing is hard. Not making too much. Okay, not too bad. Okay, and we're just going to continue to cut until we have them cut into the pieces, the size pieces that we want. And here we have it, you guys, all cut into pieces. And we are just going to put it on this platter. All right, and there we have it. And I'm going to take these little pieces and put these into a little candy jar, because these will not go to waste. Hello, everyone. Okay, so before we get into tasting this chocolate peppermint bark, let me just tell you guys what happened with my white chocolate. All the warnings were out, you guys, as far as making sure you do not over melt the white chocolate. And you guys, that is exactly what I did. I did it in 20-second increments. I did the 20 seconds. It started to melt. It was looking great. And I put it back in for another 20. And you guys, way too much. It was the point of no return. As a matter of fact, let me show you guys what it looks like. White chocolate is unforgiving. This is what it ended up looking like, you guys. It ended up being something that is totally and completely unrecognizable. So what happens is it melts and then it solidifies again. And again, the texture turns into this thing right here. So I say all that to, number one, to let you know that all the warnings that come along with melting white chocolate are absolutely, positively true. And I tried to heed those warnings, but I think probably, you guys, what happens is you've got to melt white chocolate for yourself for the very first time, which this was my very first time, to really get a feel for what it's going to do. So I have a feeling you're going to mess up the first time and you will never forget, and you'll know next time exactly what to do. So having said that, I ended up having to order some more white chocolate, which is why I had a 2-day delay in finishing up this project. But finish it I did, and here we are. So without further ado, you guys, let's go ahead and taste this peppermint bark. Lord, I thank you. It looks amazing, you guys. Look at that. You got the dark chocolate underneath, got the white chocolate on top, and I've got my homemade peppermint candy on top. I think you guys know by now that when I do the hand gesture and shake my hand, that is a good indication that whatever it is that I'm eating is absolutely delicious. You guys, this is phenomenal. If you like peppermint bark and you are keto, wait no longer. Follow this recipe, give it a try, share, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. I promise you guys, you are going to absolutely love this. This is delicious. And you guys, remember to remain safe, healthy, and encouraged. And watch that melting of the white chocolate too, okay? It is a great day. You make it your own kind of special. And you guys, until we meet again, keep growing, keep thriving, keep pushing those boundaries. And remember, keto is not boring. I've proven that time and time again. Thank you guys so much for joining me, and I will see you again real soon on I've Got Something to Say Too. Thank you, you guys. Oh, good.